Welcome to Content Creator Tools. This comprehensive guide will help you discover the essential software and applications you need to start your creative journey. Whether you're interested in video production, graphic design, audio editing, or content management, we'll explore the best tools available for beginners. A content creator is someone who produces original material for audiences across various platforms. This could include videos, images, podcasts, blogs, or social media posts. Content creators use specialized tools to film, edit, design, and publish their work. The role requires creativity, technical skills, and a passion for storytelling. Professional tools are essential for several reasons. They help you create high-quality content that stands out from competitors. These tools streamline your workflow, allowing you to work faster and more efficiently. Many tools offer templates and presets that simplify complex tasks, making professional-level work accessible to beginners without extensive experience. Video editing software is crucial for creating polished video content. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard, offering advanced features and professional capabilities. For beginners, DaVinci Resolve provides powerful editing tools completely free. Final Cut Pro is excellent for Mac users, while CapCut is a user-friendly mobile option perfect for quick edits and social media videos. Graphic design tools help you create stunning visuals for thumbnails, social media posts, and promotional materials. Adobe Photoshop is the most powerful option but has a learning curve. Canva is perfect for beginners with drag-and-drop templates requiring no design experience. Figma is excellent for collaborative design work, while Affinity Designer offers professional features at an affordable price. Quality audio is just as important as video quality. Audacity is a free, open-source tool perfect for beginners to record and edit podcasts or voiceovers. Adobe Audition offers professional-grade audio editing with advanced effects. Descript is innovative, allowing you to edit audio by editing text transcripts. Logic Pro is ideal for music production on Mac systems. Content management platforms help you organize, schedule, and publish your work across multiple channels. YouTube Studio is essential for video creators, offering analytics and management tools. Later and Buffer help you schedule social media posts in advance. WordPress is perfect for bloggers and content websites. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace for planning and organizing your content calendar. Beyond the main categories, several other tools are invaluable. OBS is free and perfect for live streaming on Twitch or YouTube. Loom allows you to record screen tutorials quickly. Grammarly helps improve your written content with real-time suggestions. Hootsuite manages multiple social media accounts from one dashboard, saving you significant time and effort. Begin by identifying your primary content format. If you focus on videos, start with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. For graphics, Canva is the ideal entry point. Download the free version and spend time exploring the interface. Watch beginner tutorials on YouTube to understand basic features. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to learn everything at once. Focus on mastering one tool before expanding your toolkit. Consider your budget before investing in tools. Many professional applications offer free versions or trials. Evaluate the learning curve of each tool and be realistic about how much time you can dedicate to learning. Check your computer specifications to ensure compatibility. Most importantly, choose tools that integrate well together to create a smooth workflow. Your tools should enhance your creativity, not hinder it. Start with essential tools only and avoid tool overload. Choose one tool and learn it deeply before expanding your toolkit. Build your workflow incrementally, adding tools as you identify genuine needs. Remember that quality content comes from creativity and effort, not from having every tool available. Focus on the fundamentals and let your unique perspective shine through in your work.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.